This is the Dodge Challenger, pure American muscle. Aggressive front grille, iconic headlights, and a bold stance that, from the side, the Dodge Challenger shows pure muscle. Wide stance, sharp lines, and a presence that instantly commands. Inside, the Dodge Challenger feels bold and refined. Bright gauges, a strong cockpit design, and a true. Here the Challenger's V8 come alive, deep, loud, and full of muscle. A sound that defines true American power. Here the Challenger's V8 come alive, deep, loud, and full of muscle. A sound that defines true American. Even in slow motion, the Dodge Challenger looks powerful. Smooth movement, bold presence, and pure American muscle in every detail of the Dodge Challenger stands out. Sharp headlights, bold lines, and premium touches that show true muscle car. The Challenger's hood shows pure muscle, bold lines, and a powerful air intake that define its aggressive character. The Challenger's roof and windshield shine with clean reflections, highlighting its bold shape and strong muscle car presence. The Challenger's iconic fuel cap and rear quarter curve highlight its classic muscle heritage with bold, powerful design. The Challenger's front splitter and lower grille show its aggressive airflow design, built for stability, strength, and pure muscle. The Challenger's side mirror and front tire show sharp reflections and strong grip, highlighting its bold muscle car kit. The Challenger's sharp door line and bold body curve highlight its strong, sculpted muscle design with clean, powerful presence. The Challenger's rear window and trunk line show smooth curves and bold muscle design, giving it a strong. The Challenger's front fender and flowing side shadows highlight its sculpted muscle shape with clean, powerful curves.